The bitter truth of health insurance. Why are people not doing policy renewal? Know the full story. Hello, friends. Do you know that a big game is going on behind your health insurance policy not being renewed? Have you ever wondered why your claim gets rejected even when you pay a huge amount of premium every year? Health insurance companies that make promises, do they really deliver, or is it just a marketing trick? A recent report has exposed the truth of this entire sector. The report states that a large number of people are no longer renewing their health insurance. Premium collections of companies have fallen by 10% in the last fiscal year. This means that 1 out of every 10 customers have not renewed their health insurance. The reason for this is not only the rising premium cost, but there are many deeper reasons behind it. Is this the new game of health insurance companies? Has taking health insurance become a loss-making deal? Today, we will discuss this topic in depth. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will be the first to get our new video updates. So let's understand this whole story in detail. The past few years have seen rapid changes in the health insurance sector. After the corona epidemic, awareness about health insurance increased among people. People were buying health insurance in large numbers. Insurance companies also took full advantage of this opportunity and quickly launched their products. But now the situation has completely reversed. Premium collection of health insurance companies is decreasing. According to reports, the premium collection of health insurance companies has fallen by 10% in the current fiscal year. That is, people have refused to renew their policies in large numbers. The biggest reason for this is rising premium costs. The cost of health insurance premiums has increased drastically in the last 10 years. According to a report by Policy Bazaar, health insurance premiums have been increasing by 5 to 10% every year for the past 10 years. This means that if a person's health premium was 100 rupees 10 years ago, today the same premium has increased to between 162 and 259 rupees. Not only this, premiums for 38% of customers are increasing by 10 to 15% every year. In some cases, the rate of premium has reached up to 30% per annum. Due to this, the cost of health insurance is becoming out of the reach of the common man. However, despite the expensive premium rates, customers are not getting better facilities. According to another report, health insurance companies have rejected nearly 50% of health claims in the last 3 years. That is, every other customer's health claim was rejected. This has led to frustration among customers. If a person's claim is rejected, even after paying a heavy premium, then what is the benefit of taking health insurance? This question is now in the mind of every customer. Apart from this, the way health insurance works is also a big problem. Insurance companies reject the claim by resorting to all the terms and conditions at the time of claim. Sometimes the claim is rejected on the pretext of not completing the documents, sometimes complaining about the error in the hospital bill, sometimes referring to the terms of the insurance policy. This is breaking the trust of customers. In many cases, customers have also complained that insurance companies have deliberately exaggerated minor mistakes to get the claim rejected. A big problem is that health insurance companies are constantly increasing premiums, but the rate of inflation in the healthcare sector is even faster than that. According to Amit Chabra, Chief Business Officer of General Insurance Department of Policy Bazaar, the rate of inflation in the medical sector is currently 14%, while the average increase in health insurance premium is only 10%. That is, health services are becoming increasingly expensive, but the coverage of health insurance is not that effective. Apart from this, there is resentment in the minds of the customers that health insurance companies are misleading the customers in the name of cashless claims. In many cases, insurance companies have rejected the cashless claim facility, saying that the concerned hospital is out of the insurance company's network. Due to this, the customer had to pay the entire cost from his own pocket. Customers are feeling cheated by such incidents. Unclear terms in health insurance policies are also a major problem. Customers are not informed about all the terms and conditions while purchasing the policy. When it comes time for a claim, the customer is told that their policy does not have coverage for that expense. This is increasing distrust of insurance companies in the minds of customers. Apart from increase in premiums and claim rejection, there is another problem: lack of network hospitals. Access to health insurance is limited in small towns and rural areas. Even if the customer is insured, then due to lack of network hospitals, he cannot get cashless facility. This limits the benefit of the insurance. Another big aspect in this whole matter is the government health schemes. The government of India has launched schemes like Ayushman Bharat Yojana, under which free health facilities are being provided to the poor and middle class people. This has affected the demand for health insurance. When people are getting free treatment under government schemes, why would they buy an expensive health insurance policy? Looking at this entire scenario, now a big challenge has arisen in front of the health insurance companies. If the companies do not simplify their conditions, do not make the process of claim transparent, and do not balance the cost of premium, then in the coming time, we can see further decline in the health insurance sector. Now, the question arises that what can be the solution? First of all, the claim process of insurance companies should be made easy and transparent. Secondly, the cost of the premium must be controlled. Thirdly, in order to bring health insurance within the reach of more and more people, steps like subsidizing the premium should be taken. If the companies and the government take steps in this direction, then the health insurance sector can get back on track. At the moment, customers need to be cautious. It is important to understand the terms well while buying the policy. A decision should be taken only after getting complete information about the claim process, list of hospitals, and coverage. Health insurance is a necessity, but if it lacks transparency and trust, its benefits will be limited. If you like our content and want to make our efforts even stronger, you can support us through the QR code given in the video or the UPI ID given in the description. Your every small contribution is valuable to us and will inspire us to make even better and informative videos. Your support is our strength. Also, if this video taught you something new or you felt that this information should reach others as well, then do not forget to like and share the video. If you have any questions or suggestions in mind, then do let us know in the comments. We look forward to answering your every question and listening to suggestions. And yes, if you want to stay updated with our every new video in the future, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get every new information first. GRT Business always strives to give you accurate and reliable information. Our news is obtained from various news agencies, public opinion, and public sources. We try our best to verify every report, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our sole aim is to provide you with accurate and reliable information.